Hi, good evening. I'm Lumera Palomo, was born in Arakan, North Cotabato on May 11, 1984. My father was a Baptist preacher. I spent most of my earlier years in Bible Baptist Mission in Tagbilaran, Bohol, and Timahuring President Rojas, and in Tulunan, North Cotabato. I'm graduated from Dato Inda Elementary School in President Rojas in 1998 and Tulunan National High School in 2002. For a number of years, I served in churches as Sunday school teacher as a young people of the Bible Baptist Mission Tulunan, North Cotabato in 1998 to 2001. In 2002, I served as working student under Pastor Peter Rivera until this day. Due to financial constraints being experienced with my family, Pastor Peter Rivera granted me an opportunity to pursue my studies in college. I am working with his family since during my first year in tertiary school, but when God called their ministry abroad, I am so thankful that he guided Pastor Peter Rivera to introduce me to those who are willing to sponsor my studies financially. Until I graduated my course, Bachelor of Elementary Education, and now I want to express my deepest gratitude to the family of Pastor Peter Rivera who have extended valuable assistance and encouragement and made possible success of my study. To Ate Beth for her motherly advice, sincere effort, giving moral support and encouragement to finish my course. And to their son, Peter John Rivera, who by their untiring sacrifice and great initiative during our teaching in Calasuyan Elementary School. My heartfelt thanks to the young people of this church who always there to assist and share with me in my frustrations during tough moments of my life and encourage me with the best way they could. Again, thank you very much, Pastor Peter Rivera and family. Above all, to our Almighty God, who is the source of knowledge and wisdom. To God be the glory.
May God bless us all.